Hi guys, this is Refuel Ride Race channel and you're welcome to another episode of Channel News. Why Channel News? Because of you. I just hit more than 200 subscribers and I'm very happy and I'm glad that you helped me with this. So, today I would like to speak about the future of the channel and what will you see in the coming months. So the winter is approaching and we all know that the weather will get worse and worse very soon. So in November you can expect 3 or 4 videos related to cars. Even though there will be also another videos about bikes and topics related to bikes, in the winter time I should focus on cars because there is no possibility to ride or to record outside. As you saw in the beginning, I showed you my 3 models. So these 3 models that I have here, one is Kawasaki Ninja 250. It is from 93. I got it as a birthday gift from a friend and it's always with me. Then we talk about cars and we will do in the future. This is one example of one of my Ferraris, so GTO from 84, a very legendary model. Here you can see that I'm talking the exact truth. So, and the BMW M3 that I bought in the BMW Museum in Munich. I think it was around 10 years ago. So this is just a little presentation of my models, just for the intermezzo. So what is the real point of this video, of this channel news? It's about news, it's about cars, it's about bikes, it's about everything that will be around in the near future on my channel. But the real thing is that I need help. I would like to ask you, and I'm kindly asking you to help me to get more subscribers, so to reach 500 subscribers before spring. I would really like to do it and you can help me with it. So I'm responsible for uploading and for the content, and you're responsible for watching and subscribing. So please subscribe and let me get 500 subscribers as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe and see you next time. Goodbye.